Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to completely hide apps on iPhone. If you want to completely hide the apps on iPhone and no one can find them easily, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to completely hide the app on iPhone and no one can find it, not even in the search option, then you may simply follow the steps till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now you may hide the app using the screen time, which is also the best method. Now you need to go on settings on your iPhone, and under settings you need to scroll down until you see the option of screen time. So scroll down, or you may also search on the option of screen time. Click on the option of screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down and here you'll see the option of content and privacy restrictions, and you need to simply enable this. And after enabling this, you need to enter your password for it to enable. So after enabling it, you'll see the option of privacy like location service, contacts, calendar, reminder, photos, and all of it. So choose the option which you want to off, and you may simply turn off all of it. So currently it is allowed. So if you don't want this, you may click on the option of turn to allow changes, and by doing all of it, the person won't be able to find it on your device. Now the another thing which you can do is you may simply hide the app from your home screen and keep it in the app library. Now if you want to remove something from your home screen and keep it in the app library, then you need to simply long press on the app. So if I want to hide this, I need to simply long press on the app, and here you will see the option of require face ID, edit home screen, share app, and remove from home screen. So you may also long press on the app until it's jiggling, and you'll see the option of remove from home screen. So if you do this, the app will not appear on your home page and the person won't be able to see it on the home page. Now, after doing all of it, you'll be able to hide the app on your iPhone. But if you want to hide it again, and it is an extra step for privacy, now you may simply create a folder on home screen, and you may simply drag the app on the folder. So if I want to hide this app, then I need to simply long press on it, and I'll simply keep it in the utilities app. Now, no one is able to see the app unless I have told them, or I will only know about it. So, and the thing is that it won't fully hide it, but it will make less obvious to the person who is using a phone. So by doing all of it, you will be able to hide the app on your iPhone. Thank you.